344 of the Atomic Ivy MMO. We're making an MMO from complete scratch in JavaScript. So when I press the R key, I can rotate the auto tiles. So each of these little structures, these 3x3 structures that I'm building up, you can see that the auto tiles are being rotated, because each time I make one of these clusters, I'm going to press the R key to rotate. So you see the little capper graphic is on a different side because, well, I'm rotating stuff, right? So I fixed the little problem of the different rotation values merging together. So now these won't merge together. Like if I go like this, bam, only the ones the same rotation value are going to merge together. So we get more seams. We get more seams, which you could say might look worse. But I know that the only reason that the seamless version looked good was because the graphics are so low resolution, we're not noticing the artifacts of the bug we created where the different tiles that have different rotation codes would still latch together. So the code changes are in shader number 7. This is the shader here that you're looking at. And we only changed a few places. So in main, in shader 7, in the touching value section, we have changed this line of code here to further discriminate if we are touching left. Change this value here for touching right. And this value here for touching top. And this value here for touching bottom. So just further qualifiers for if we are touching a neighbor. So here's what we did previously, and then down here is what we did in this video. So if you want a longer description, you can go here. You are here on the shorter video. Source code here. With that said, you've been on video 344. Like and subscribe.